Hello guys, Revme here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of soldering items from GearBest. For every of these items I will put a link in the description, so if you like it you can buy it. Let's start with soldering iron itself. This one is with price under $10. Build quality is decent. Nice feel on the pressure. It's clear kind of plastic, so you can see internals. Tips are easily removable. So when over the time you need to change with new tip, you can easily change it. There is also a protection, so you can ground yourself. Also there is a neat function, so you can choose an operating temperature. It starts from 200 and go up to 450 Celsius. Next item is the soldering pump. It's really neat device, so when you're desoldering it comes handy. Decent build quality. Plastic is not feeling too much cheap, but nothing special. There is also a sponge part. It feels quality when you press it, and feels nice. It will do a job. And finally, I have here a tin with flux inside. It's 1.8% and with 0.6 millimeters thickness. Nothing much to say. It is possible to see that there is a hole in the middle, so there is a flux inside. And that's basically it. If you are new to soldering, these are items you will need, and you can buy them cheap on GearBest. It was a fast shipping time, under 2 weeks. I will recommend you to pay for tracking number. It's $2 more, but you will get your shipment on time. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video like always, and if you like it, please thumb up and subscribe, and until next time, see ya!